Hi there, it's Mark Wickersham here, author and speaker, and in this video I want to share with you how do you move clients to value pricing. It's one of the most common questions I get from accountants and bookkeepers. How do I move my clients to value pricing? Well, let's first understand, well, what does value pricing mean? And simply it means we present our price, we come up with a price based upon the client's perception of the value of what we do. So when we increase the value and when they see and understand that value, they will pay a higher price. The price is based on value, not on the old-fashioned redundant way of pricing, which is how long things take. So I get asked this question, how do we move clients to value pricing? And it's not that difficult because if we think about it, clients actually love value pricing. It's in their interest because the old-fashioned way of pricing based on the hour, we know clients hate that. There's research that demonstrates that. There was a study done back in 2005 by one of the major software companies. They asked thousands of business owners a number of questions, one of which was, what's the thing you hate the most about your accountant? And the number one answer was surprise bills. That's the problem with the old-fashioned way of pricing. They don't know what the price is until you've added up the hours, worked out the bill from the hours, the timesheets, the time records. So clients love value pricing because one of the things about value pricing is you have to give some certainty of a price up front. What is the price going to be? And we all, as customers, when we buy anything in life, we want that certainty. We want to know what the price is going to be. The other great thing about value pricing, and the reason why customers love it, is it aligns our interests. Both you and your clients are now on the same side of the table because you both want the same thing. You both want to deliver as much value as possible. The client wants as much value. They want more benefits. And when you deliver more value, then of course the price goes up, which is in your interest as well. Both parties win. Value pricing is a win-win way of pricing, whereas time-based billing, it's not, because it's in your interest to spend as long as possible. Just put the hours on the timesheet, because the more hours on the timesheet, the more the bill goes up, which is crazy, isn't it? That can't be right. That's not fair. So value pricing is a fairer way of pricing. And so the key to moving our clients onto value pricing is to just communicate to them the benefits and just explain. So you might use language like this. You might say, we've been listening to what our clients tell us, and our clients have been telling us they hate the way the accounting profession prices, pricing based on the hour. And when we ask why, they tell us, well, it's because we don't know what the price is until the work's finished. It means we can't plan, we can't budget. And actually thinking about it, we think it's not a fair way of pricing too. So we've been listening to our clients, and what we now do is we give you a fixed price right up front. But also we've been listening to our clients and they tell us that everybody's different. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. So what we now do is when we sit down with you to go through the price, we will go through and present some different options and some choices so you can have the package that just meets your needs. Now, when you explain it in those terms, the client will nod along, and because that makes sense. It's a fairer way of pricing. They get choice and they get certainty. So moving clients to value pricing is not difficult because it's a fair way of pricing. We just have to be able to become better at explaining to clients why we are now pricing in this way. Explain it in terms of the problems with the old way and the benefit to the client, choice and certainty, with the new method. Now, of course, I think the real question, and another question that flows from this, which I often get, is, okay, Mark, that makes sense now, but what I really want to know is, I know that I should put my prices up. How do I do that? And we'll look at that on another video, how you reprice your clients, how you put your prices up without risk of losing clients. If you want more help from me with your value pricing journey, then I will put somewhere below this video, I'll put some links for you, some free stuff. You can join my Facebook group, you can ask me questions, and also if you like this video, please click the like button, please feel free to share it. Thank you so much.